Hi, it's Grace. In this video, I'll be explaining the difference between content types and paragraph types on your new website. Content types are found in the Content menu. You can access this menu by clicking on the page icon on the left of your screen. Next, click on the Add Content item. Here you can see all the different types of pages or content that you can add to your website. The content types are named for which genre of content best suits their layout. For example, it's best to create news articles from the news and topical content type, or to list products and services your company offers on a products and services page. Each of these content types are set up slightly differently, and we have an in-depth video on each of these throughout this training series. Paragraph types hold the content which make up your final page, such as images, text, videos, links, and buttons. After selecting which type of page you want to make, scroll down and click on the Add Paragraph button located on the bottom left. Here you will find a list of the paragraph types you can add to this page. Once again, we have in-depth videos of each of these throughout this training series, but as you can see, paragraph types can range from basic text through to image slideshows and location map displays. That's a basic overview of the difference between content and paragraph types. For a more detailed explanation of each, check out the rest of our training guide. I'll see you in the next video.